Every mom that I know wants to get everything done all at once. They want to do a lot of things, and that's to say that they want to have time for the family, they want to have time for their job, they want to have time for their kids, they want to do the movies, they want to have social media. Yes, there's a lot of things, and a lot of women carry a lot of hats. I'll start from myself. I am a mom, I'm a nurse, I'm a wife, I'm a sister, I'm a mother. And so I have a lot of that, and still have time to do a YouTube video. So I'll give you just a time hack, a life hack on how to get all things done, a lot of things done all at once. Let's get started. My name is Fadekemi. I talk about passive income, I talk about motherhood, I talk about productivity, on how to live life better and also be happy. So let's get started. Back to the video. Talking about time management for mothers, for busy moms, I want you to understand that you can't do everything. The truth is that you can't do everything. You need to prioritize. I watched a video about a professor that described the life of everybody as a jar, and he described that there are some things that are important, and he described the things that are very important as a rock, and he put it at the jar. So that rock fit in major of the space, a lot of space in that jar. Then he put pebbles as the next thing that is important. He fit into it. Then by the time you fit into all that, the remaining space, it described it as that's the many things that you need to get done in your life as water. So you use it to fill it up, and it contained everything. And so that's the same thing for every mom, for every busy mom. For you to be able to achieve a lot within the shortest 24 hours that you have, is for you to prioritize what are the most important thing in your life. For me, one of the most important thing in my life is my God, like God. And so first thing in the morning I pray to God, and after I pray to God, of course, he holds everything, makes everything to work together. The next thing I do is my projects. Like, for example, when I was having my exam, the next thing I was having before me was my exam. I need to study for my exam. The first 2 hours I need to study for my exam. If you're not studying, if you have a project, that is the next thing you should do before you start doing the cleaning up, sweeping the house and everything, and playing with your kid. So the next thing you have to do, so how to achieve more, is to simplify your life. But a lot of us have too many clothes. You have too many things, and it's beclouding your mind. You are not able to think straight. So simplify your life. For me, I'm a minimalist person. Just get a shirt, a trouser, I'm done. Or I'm not this extra person. So, but if that works for you, fine, you can continue with that kind of lifestyle. But for you to be able to achieve more things, try and simplify your life. Don't have too many things around you. When you have too many things, it doesn't make you to get a lot of things done. The next thing for you, the next act for you, is to multitask. I know a lot of that. For example, what you are washing the plate, you can be listening to one of your courses, you can be listening to one of the podcasts that you like more, you can be listening to audiobooks. That is multiple. You can be doing going somewhere and be edited. For me, when I'm going somewhere, during commute, that's when I edit videos. That's when I get content to be able to post on internet and everything. The next thing that you need to do is to streamline your tasks. You need to streamline your tasks. Like, I go for my grocery once in a week, and I make meal plans. I have a meal plan. I can put a link and down the comment section about a meal plan for every mother. You should have a meal plan on what you are going to prepare for the weekend. You'll be able to go to the market, go to the grocery once in a week to be able to buy all the things that you need to do. Then the next thing is that don't do things all alone. You can't have grown-up kids in your house and you're the one washing the plates, you're the one doing the laundry, you're the one laying the beds and everything. You get overwhelmed. everybody should have a job. Everybody should have something that they are doing in the house. My kids, some every day they have somebody that is washing the plate, somebody helps in cleaning up, and it makes it not for me not to be overwhelmed. I won't come back from work and I'll still see everywhere scattered. There's somebody that is supposed to do this, and it will help me. The next thing is create a checklist. Create a checklist for your kids. Let them have something that you are doing. If you don't have kids, ask for help. If you have a spouse, tell him that, can you help me with this? And you'll be able to know that yes, this thing is done. The next thing you should know, you should understand in your time management act is to embrace your imperfection. There are some days that yes, everything will not work out fine. Embrace the imperfection. And there are other days that you just want to, everybody just relax. There are some days that you not cook and maybe order for food or go to a restaurant, let everybody eat out, and when you come back everybody go and sleep, and tomorrow the next day you continue the routine and everything. So embrace imperfection. This is the little that I have for you this week till I come to you next week. My name is Fadikemi. Talk to you next time.